for mine, my new favorite features are the universal search features. So what universal search does is you can connect your Google Drive, Dropbox, Figma, any of your file storage, and you can actually search for your files directly within ClickUp. So you can have a private universal search, so if you wanted to connect your personal file storage, but you can also have a shared enterprise level search where you can connect a team account and search through the team files. So that is really, really cool. My next favorite, and this makes ClickUp's possibilities endless. And when I say endless, I really mean like there are probably tens to hundreds of thousands of things that you can do with the new command setup. So with ClickUp commands, where it really shines is connecting webhooks and cloud-based triggers through Zapier or Make. In this instance, we're showing how to play Spotify from ClickUp. So with a simple / command, you can start your playlist right in ClickUp without ever having to leave the platform. You can also build really simple weather apps. Even with this, you can get more powerful. Some of my favorite ones are if you use Git or GitHub, you can make and submit pull requests and submit branches for your projects. You can send messages to Slack without ever having to leave. You can also use ClickUp commands for like copy paste text. So if you have a canned template, when you get an introduction, you can actually build that into ClickUp and just say command / hey and get your whole introductory email without ever having to leave ClickUp. You can even post on Instagram now by setting up one of these simple commands. So the possibilities are endless. It works for your engineering teams to your marketing teams, and it's all right within ClickUp. Personal favorite. Knocked it out the park with that one.